Africa holds extraordinary potential. Across the continent, communities are restoring land, creating green jobs, and building new pathways for a thriving economy that can serve people and planet. These efforts are rooted in nature and powered by innovation. On 19th June, join participants from around the world at GLF Africa 2025, hosted in Nairobi, Kenya, and streamed online for free. Explore how Africa is shaping a nature-based economy that values ecosystems, supports local livelihoods, and invests in long-term resilience and prosperity. From on-the-ground action to big-picture ideas, this event will highlight the opportunities, innovations, and relationships for transforming development today. Log in and be part of the conversation about dignity, stewardship, and opportunity. We'll see you at GLF Africa.